In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video filters in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you're aiming to enhance your footage or create a unique visual style, applying filters is a fantastic way to do just that. First, let's begin by opening up Adobe Premiere. Make sure you've got your video ready within a project, because we'll dive straight into applying a filter to an existing clip. Now that Adobe Premiere is up and running, let's locate the Effects panel. This panel is your gateway to a variety of video filters and effects that can transform your project. Look towards the right side of your screen or find it under the Window menu if it's not visible. Clicking on the Effects panel will unveil a treasure trove of options, but today our focus is on video filters. Once you're in the Effects panel, you should see a section labeled Lumetri Presets. This is where a selection of pre-designed filters lives. Clicking on Lumetri Presets will open a myriad of options for you to peruse. These presets are designed to save you time and effort by providing pre-configured looks that can be easily applied to your video clips. Next, you'll want to choose the filter style that matches the aesthetic you're aiming for. Within the Lumetri presets, you'll find several styles, ranging from bright and vibrant tones to more subtle and muted colorings. For this tutorial, let's explore the monochrome options. The monochrome style is perfect for achieving a classic, timeless look reminiscent of black and white cinematography. To apply the monochrome filter, click on the corresponding folder under Lumetri Presets. Here you'll find various monochrome filters available for different shades and intensities. Choose the one that best fits the mood you want to convey in your video. Once you've made your selection, the application is as simple as clicking and dragging. To add the filter to your video, click and drag the chosen monochrome style filter directly onto the video clip in your timeline. Just like that, you've successfully applied a filter to your video. As you let go of the mouse, you'll see the changes immediately on your program monitor, altering your footage to reflect your chosen filter's look. In just a few easy steps, you've managed to add a new dimension to your video project by incorporating stylish and mood-appropriate filters. Experiment with different filters to discover new creative possibilities. Don't forget to save your project regularly to ensure your artistic achievements are preserved. Keep practicing and experimenting with the wide array of filters available to craft the narrative and aesthetic styles that best suit your creative vision. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more comfortable using video filters in Adobe Premiere Pro.